Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge. Just want to show you one of the trucks on our lot. It's a 2025 Ram 1500 Warlock, so let's take a peek. Under the hood, you're going to have your 3-liter V6 twin turbo, LED lights, tow hooks, fog lights, park sensors, 18-inch wheels on dirt tracks, blind spot monitoring, and it is a crew cab with a 5'7" box. Backup camera, hitch receiver and wiring, dual exhaust, soft drop tailgate. But let's check out the inside. Inside the truck, you are going to have a bench seat. So you got some cup holders there, storage. You can flip it up for an extra seat. 8.4-inch screen, lane departure. You got your climate control stuff there, trailer brake controller, automatic transmission. But let's check out the back seat. In the back seats, crew cab, so you have a whole bunch of room, flat floor. You're going to have in-floor storage. These flip up on either side, and then a rear slider as well. But if you want to make this trick yours, give us a call, 780-942-3629.